guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another coloured eye makeup tutorial, and it is going to be a silver eye makeup tutorial. This is the silver I came up with. I decided to go with something that is very wearable but is still really quite simple. I do recommend using the Makeup Geek single eyeshadows that I used over the Huda Beauty palette, or the silver that I used in that palette, because I just went straight over that silver with the Makeup the Makeup Geek ones. But if you can't get the Makeup Geek ones, then the Huda Beauty is fine. It just gives you so much fallout and is not very good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this colour series that I'm doing on my channel. This is the third one, I think, and I'm very much enjoying them. I really like just doing one single eye colour look in each makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this silver eye look, then just keep watching. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. To set that in place, I'm going to use my Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to use the shade Foxy, and I'm just applying this with a large shader brush. Now for my crease, I'm going to be using the same palette, and this time I'm using Tease. This is a nice cool toned blending shade to go with the cool toned silvers that we will be using. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions, and I'm going to use this brown here, and I'm just using my big fluffy blending brush the same as before, and I'm just going back and forth. Now for the main silver, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette again, and I'm going to use this silver here, and I'm just applying this with my finger all over. Now I'm going to go in with Mercury from Makeup Geek, and this I'm applying on the center half. Now I'm going to use Galaxy, and I'm just patting this on the outer third. For this shade, I would recommend a pencil brush, and just pat it on, and it's just going on the outer third. I recommend a pencil brush for this colour because when I applied it with my finger, it got on the lower lash line here, so I've just cleaned it up with my flat shader brush. Now I'm going to go in with Graphite by Makeup Geek, and I'm just using a tapered blending brush, and this is going in the crease, remembering to tap off any excess. Now I'm going to go in with the Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to use this shade here, which is Verve, and I'm just grabbing it on my little pinky finger, and it's going right on the tear duct. It's also going to go up on the brow bone. I'm also going to grab my little highlighter brush and grab Booty Call, and this is going on top of Verve on the brow bone. It's also going to go on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with a large blending brush and just blend it out. I'm also going to go back in with Graphite and my pencil brush, and I'm just going to be applying this on my lower lash line. Okay, now for mascara, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. that is it for my silver eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me when you guys do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.